What's going on, YouTubians? YouTubians. It's Mike, and this past Wednesday, for their deal of the day, they had the WrestleMania plaques for $80. So I bought one of them. Let's see right here. Big old box. Now let's open this sucker. This is actually my first WWE plaque, so I'm pumped. Oh man, there it is. Can't tell it's a Ziggler plaque. They really got a bubble wrapper. Number 125 of 500. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! The signature came out really, really nice on the plaque here. Nice pink frame with the old Ziggy logo. Overall, amazing plaque. Cannot wait to hang this up on the wall. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed.